Okay. Yes, Sangram, you can share your screen now. Okay.
Okay.
So we will see now a few more things about the coding standard for store procedure. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now can you execute this? Right. Sounds good. Can you pass another parameter? Perfect. It's working as expected, right?
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, Now let's say you have created this procedure. Okay. Now let's say you are deploying this new SP on production, so it will work correctly, right? Okay. Now let's
Okay.
say I want to see, let's say this customer segment is not required. Okay. I want to remove that customer segment from this column. So if you remove this,
Okay.
okay. And now can you execute this SP?
Uh, you have to alter alter. Hmm.
Create or alter?
Okay.
First it will create, right? If it is exist, it will alter, right? That sequence is
Okay.
really
Yeah.
matter.
Okay.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, so that's the reasons I want to tell you that. Okay, so this is very important, right? So when they will see that this person not only write the create statement, he know create or alter. So that's
Hmm.
help you or help them to understand your understanding, what is the level of understanding. Okay, what is your maturity to write this code. So this is what exactly a production's ready code. Okay, because if you try to already created SPN, if you try to execute, you will get the error, right? But in productions, you don't want that error. So always go with this approach, right? Create or alter procedures. Got it? Okay. There is
Yes, sir.
one more thing. Okay, you can do a drop procedure if exist. Okay, and then create SP. So in that case, it will drop the SP. Okay, drop procedure and then give the SP name. Okay.
Hmm.
So you have two options. Okay, you can drop the procedure. Okay, and then the second option is create or alter. Okay, so keep only one. Okay, don't keep both the options. Okay, I'm just giving you for your knowledge. Okay, maybe
Yeah.
we'll understand in detail about this difference. Okay, what is a drop and when to go for create or alter. Okay, so we'll understand this as well in detail. Okay, so don't worry on that part. So right now just keep create or alter. Okay, now my okay, now can you execute this? Can you check that if that column is get
Yeah.
wiped out? Yeah, this column get removed, right?
Yes.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, so this is how, okay, we'll write a store procedure. We'll add this create and alter statement and then this. Okay, so by default, this SPs get created into the DBO schema, right? If you remember last time also I said to you, right? There is one schema as well. So by default, you have the DBO is the schema. Okay, so that schema is also we have to add. Okay, so right now, even if you're not added DBO, by default, this SPs get created into the DBO schema. If you want to check, can you go to the Object Explorer?
Um,
Yeah, connect Object Explorer, first one. Programmability, store procedure. Okay, here you can see that, right? System defined procedures and then user defined procedures. Okay, so last one, right? That can
yeah.
you see that there is by default DBO is coming, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You got it? So DB is by default schema. Okay. Can you minimize this and go to the table? Go to the tables.
Tables.
Tables, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, tables. Okay. So can you see all that tables is also again into the DBO dot. So by default, this is the schema. Okay.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Right. So let's say now in a real-time scenario, in a real-time project. So let's say Amazon database, you are working on Amazon database. Okay. You are working in Amazon company, let's say. So there is different modules, right? So this module is related to order, right? Customer orders or sales, right?
Mhm.
Then there is one model, let's say login model, right? Where you they store all the information about the orders, the sorry customer login or user ID, password, all that stuffs, right?
Mhm.
So that is administrative side,
Yeah.
right? So let's say there is third model, maybe
Okay.
a different model where let's say that is for marketing purpose, some for sales purpose, some for financial
Okay.
purposes, right? So there's some different models in that projects, right? It's not only about these four tables, there will be thousands of tables in their databases, right?
Mhm.
So it will be difficult for to identify which tables I need, so you have to go and do filter all that stuff. But let's say if you take a real-time example, right? So in kitchen we keep the things that is required in kitchen, right? That food related stuff we keep in kitchen, right? In hall we keep the things that is suited in hall only, right? Like sofa, TV unit, like this, right? In bedroom we keep the things that is required in bedroom, right? That let's say my bed, mattress, pillow,
Mhm.
right? Like that, blanket, something like that. So same thing, same concept is here, all right? So that the reason schema is given to you. Okay. So let's say this is my sales data, so I will create one schema sales and I will keep my all the tables and all my store procedures into that table.
Mhm.
Okay. So
Mm.
that we'll create in the next sessions, because this is how we are going in depth, in details, because we are trying to do a productions ready code. Okay, so we'll go step by step in detail, because
Yeah.
see, now if I look this create and procedures USP dot, I can clearly easily catch that this is the code written by the freshers, because there is no schema mentioned. You can mention DBO, but that is good. But if you mention specific schema, let's say sales details or order details, order schema is upgraded, and if I put that schema, they will come to know that this is what exactly the maturity that the coding maturity that this guys have. Okay, so in the next
Mhm.
sessions we are going to add that schema as well. Okay, so right now we'll focus two more SPs. Okay, so let's say this is what, okay, that logic we have written. Okay, now let's hand over to Suma. So we have to write one more logic. Okay,
Yeah.
and don't worry, in case if you're not able to write that,
Yeah.
we'll help you. Sangram will help you.
Yeah.
Okay, Sangram,
I will
can you give me,
stop sharing.
can you give one scenario to Suma? Okay, so that she can write SQL code for this. Again, we have to follow the same coding practice, that procedures, create procedure, and all that stuff. But before that, first we'll write the logic. We'll test this logic, then we'll convert this into the store procedures, then we'll execute this. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
So let's say,
Mm, we can go by product name.
hmm,
Product name.
Yeah.
but what would be the business scenario? Okay,
Mm.
Like how many products have ordered.
A customer has ordered.
Yeah.
How many products a customer has ordered? Like you
I
want the
mean,
quantity?
yeah, count.
Count. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
we can do that. Let's see. So,
okay,
you have to allow me to share my screen.
yeah, yeah, sure. Can you check now? I think already it's a
Mm.
multiple participants. Okay,
Mm.
are you able to? Okay,
Yeah. Yes. Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Sounds good. Along with that, Sangram and Soma, can we add the total price as well? So we'll get a total product, and along with that,
Okay.
maybe a total sale,
Yeah.
right?
Can you first tell me what's the requirement?
Yeah. So what Sangram is
Yeah.
saying that we have to add for every customer how many products it sells,
Hmm.
right? So how many products he orders, right? So on top of this, can we write a SQL query, to get the customer, okay, with their total amount, total price for every order.
Total, sir, can you repeat again?
So you did one, let's
This
say
is
you are,
one scenario, right?
yeah, once in a, let's say one
Yeah.
customer, okay, what they order, and for that
Yeah.
order, what is the total amount,
Hmm.
right?
Oh.
Yes, Sangram, that can be ideal
Yeah.
scenario, right?
Yeah.
Instead of going for number of products, I'm more interested in what is the total sale, because this
Okay.
Hmm.
scenario
Okay.
will help you to
Okay.
create a total sale by every customer, right?
Okay. Okay. Customer wise. Then we can search customer wise. Okay.
Yeah, customer wise sale, yeah, total sale of order by customer, yeah.
Okay. Fine. Okay.
Simply in a functional way, they want to check every customer how much they spend, right? They want to check
Hmm.
every customer how much they spend, right? This is the functional statement, right?
Yeah.
So they want to check for every customer how much they spend. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to do again join with all these tables, and
Yeah.
do some
I'll do
aggregations
that.
to get the total amount for every customer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Mm. Mm.
Order item details, OD. Okay, join. Order header, OH on.
Order ID and order ID. Okay.
Correct. Suma, can you go into the edit, file edit, top left,
This one?
top left option? Yeah, edit.
Yeah.
And go there. Just click. Go to the intelligence. Second last option. Second last option.
Second. Okay.
Okay. Then refresh local cache. Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, I'm not getting the column names.
Yeah, intelligence is not coming. Okay.
Mm.
Now check that.
Yeah. I'll check it. Yeah. It's still not coming, sir.
Still, it's not coming, right?
Yeah.
Why your data is showing as in a gray mode, actually?
One was order details.
No problem.
Mm.
Order details, order headers, then product master. No, customer ID is
No.
not in product master, right?
Yeah, 1 second, let me check. Yeah, it's in it. Okay, sorry. It's in which?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, your database is not connected.
It
That's
was
the
not
reason.
connected. Yeah, let
Okay.
me.
Hmm. Now you got the 6 rows correct. Now just if you look at this data, what you have to do for this,
I'll just take.
you have to do a group by for this, right?
Yeah, also I have to add the aggregate function in select list.
Yeah, you have to take
Yeah.
required columns, right?
Hmm.
Like you can take customer name.
First, I need quantity into unit price. We have total amount.
Right, we have the total amount, but if
Yeah,
they
we
order
have the total.
if they order the 2 products, right? So
Yeah.
for customer, if you can say order ID 5001. So customer for this
First, I'll
custom.
select the column names and then
Yes, you
I'll
have to
put
take
the
only
aggregate
customer and
function.
total spend, right? So you need only 2 columns, right?
Yeah,
Customer name and total spend.
customer customer name and total spend. Okay, yeah. Customer name. Customer name.
Okay, now you can see that you are getting these columns.
Yeah. Total spend. Where is total spend?
You have that your total amount, right? So you have to do
Yeah,
group by
yeah.
for this.
No, I'm just seeing in which table it is.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
So Suma, before group by, can you execute this 81 to 84 lines?
Yeah.
Just to check the data, right? First, that we are getting correct. So always go step by step. Otherwise, let's say you write something in the group by and you try to execute this,
Yeah.
and you are trying to figure out where is the problem, right? So it will be difficult to find out where is the problem in the select list or in the group by. So always go step by step,
Yeah.
execute your code step by step. So now there is no problem in your select statement, right? Now you can go for a
Hmm.
group by. Okay. Now there will be error, right? Why? Because you did a
Let
group by.
them- Yeah, whenever we do group by, we have to add aggregate function.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
what will be your aggregate?
Mm, we have to use the sum function, sum aggregate
Exactly,
function.
exactly. That's why I said execute 81 to 84 line again.
Yeah.
Okay. Now if you understand this data, it's right. So now you can see that Amit Sharma have the 2 orders, right? 71,
Mm.
71. Priya have 1 order. So let's say every customer have the 1 order. Okay. at one product, but for Amit there is a two products, right? That's why amount is two times coming, right? So you have to do some simple, right? Group by
Some, yeah,
customer
yeah,
name,
yeah.
and then yeah, s- space as
As
total
total
spent.
sales,
Yeah,
total spend. This should be fine, I guess.
yeah, absolutely, it should work. What is saying?
Column customer master dot customer name is invalid. Why? Let me check.
Is invalid in the
Customer name.
no, it should not be the problem. Okay, group by OH dot total amount, right? Can you execute once again? Wait.
You have
So I
mentioned
have to
only
group
customer
by
name.
both, right, sir? Because like I've taken
Yeah,
customer
sorry, you
name.
have to group by customer
Yeah,
name.
group
Yeah,
by that also. Yeah.
not total amount. That is already
Yeah.
aggregated.
Exactly. CM dot
You can remove the
customer.
total amount.
Yeah.
You have to do aggregations on total amount, and you have to group by on the customer name. Yeah, sounds good. Okay. Okay. So can you execute this line number 78 actually? Select star from order header.
78, sir.
No order, last one, order details 79.
Okay.
I want to see what they ordered, right? Because I can see the same price. That's why I just
Mhm.
want to check for 5001 104 104. Okay. Can you see that is it a right output? Is
Yeah, let
is
me
written the
check.
total output exactly what we are expecting?
Well,
No,
yeah, let
for
me check.
let's say for Amish Sharma, it's showing 14,000 something, right?
14,000. Okay,
No,
let
it's not
me
14,000. I
see.
think it's a 1,42,000. Like, but if you
Yeah.
can look at the data, right? If you can look at the data
Hmm.
for uh, Amit, this is the one is 69 thousands and one is 1,499, right? So
Yeah,
we are not getting the right data, right? Actually,
but Amit has ordered twice, right?
yeah, Amit ordered twice. That's correct. But if you can look at the data, what is the total price? This is 69 and quantity is also
69,000.
one. Okay.
Yeah,
Can you run the order header?
yeah.
Yeah, so we are doing on total amount actually. That's the problem because total amount is already aggregated here.
Yeah,
Got it?
I'll have to multiply the
No, 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 no.
quantity.
You not need
No?
to do any aggregations. I think total amount is already given in the order header.
Hmm. Okay.
There is no any
Got it.
aggregations, no any
Okay
aggregations
then.
required. When you need aggregations, when you don't have the order header table, you only have the order details table.
Hmm.
Okay, in that case, you
Yeah.
need to, multiply quantity, right? Multiply quantity by products and then do the
Yeah.
sum, right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Group
One
by you have to
second.
remove, right? You're not required that group by because
Okay.
this data is already given. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, so you are getting this. Okay. But let's say in an interview or in an interview, they might ask, to find that total amount based on the order items instead of
Mhm.
that total amounts. Okay. So can you consider only order items table, and based on that, can you go for this based on this? But I think there is a relationship between them, right? So it will be
Yeah.
difficult to find. But let's say let's try. No, that's okay. Relations will not help. A relation will not
Mm.
create the problem. Okay. So instead of going the total amount, okay, can you go with let's say in select list, okay, line number 81, can you do one thing?
Yeah.
81, remove that total amount.
Okay.
Yeah, because we want to do aggregations, because we want to explore these things, right? So can you add here from order details, order
Order
details?
item details. Yeah.
Yeah, no, we are already allies, right? So just add these columns, few columns, order
Yeah.
details, od dot, let's say add od dot product id, od dot quantity, and od dot unit price.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Sorry guys, I forget to pick up my daughter from the tuition. Sangram, can you help
No
Suma
worries.
to get that
Yeah,
unit price based on this
yeah,
aggregations? Okay, we don't want to use these order headers. We have to do aggregations and multiply quantity multiply by unit price,
Unit
and
price.
then do the
Yeah.
sum.
yeah,
Okay, just create the store
Actually,
procedure. I'll be back in just 5 minutes. Okay, sorry.
yeah.
yeah, it's all right. We have to do this, like instead of this, we have to directly multiply, right? Quantity into unit
Yeah,
price. You will
unit
get the
price.
total amount.
Yeah.
I guess I should remove this.
You can
No?
just put star
Yeah, just yeah.
between them.
Sum this into this, right?
Yeah,
That's mm, it's from this is fine.
yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Now group by.
Group by. Yeah.
You can remove product ID
Product
from
ID.
select
Yeah.
list. Yeah,
Yeah. Or else again I'll have to group by.
yeah.
Yeah.
Now it is showing correct data. Yeah,
This is fine, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Now create SP.
Create procedures.
Yeah,
Get customer name by total sales.
yeah.
Yeah.
That works.
Done.
Or get total sales by customer name.
Get total sales. Yeah, yeah. I'll just remove this one from here, right? Yeah. Then it's by customer name.
Yeah,
Yeah. And then we want customer name.
yeah.
Name. Let me check. Okay.
Right.
This is fine, right?
Yeah,
Did I have to put like Equals to, no, right?
No.
No, right? Okay.
No.
As and begin. I'll just copy paste this one here. By CME dot customer name is equals to add customer name.
No, instead of cm.customer name, you can just put add customer name. cm dot.
Okay, remove that and just put add customer name.
Yeah.
Okay. And customer name. Okay. And
No. Yeah, we have to,
it's right
equals
now.
to, yeah, equals to cm dot.
Group by customer name is equals to add customer name, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, hi,
Sorry.
So
I'm
Yes.
back.
CM dot customer name is equals to add
Customer I.
customer name.
Customer name, sorry.
No.
Yeah.
Group by, you have to do group by customer name, right? And yeah, so you have to add where conditions, right, Suma? It's not about you can remove that
Okay.
backspace, add the where conditions. Where you will add the where conditions, it's into questions.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry. It's before group by
Yeah,
where customer name.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Customer
cm dot
CM dot
customer.
customer name is equals to
Customer name.
add customer name.
Yeah.
Okay.
And give varchar 100 also, because it is storing 100 characters.
Back 100. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. So Suma, always before we create any procedure, right, the first thing we have to check this logic, right, that select statement, and then converting into the store procedure it will not take more time, right? So always
Yeah.
focus on writing the logic first, okay, and
Yeah.
then that's fine. Okay, so now it's working. Have you checked for a specific customer first? No, again
No.
one more thing, right? So we can't pass a customer name, right? As I said,
Hmm.
technically it always passes that ID.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
ID.
you have to give the customer ID there instead of customer
Okay.
name. Okay.
Again, but in this also I'll have to change, right?
Yes, of course.
Parameters.
Of
Yeah.
course, yeah.
Yeah. Create or alter.
Yeah, that sounds good. Customer ID. Mhm, correct.
Yeah.
You good? Can you execute now?
ID. Or there is only one.
Perfect. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Sum of quantity and unit price is equal to total sales. Perfect. Naming convention is good. Okay. Can you pass another customer?
Yeah.
Can you validate this is this coming correct?
Yes, sir. Should I just like execute this one?
No.
No. This will
Execute
not
this
work.
data, raw data, right? From that raw
Yeah,
data,
yeah.
you can easily identify, right? No, from the raw data only. Here is also coming correct. That's fine. Okay, Rohit. Let's say, but how you can confirm that for Rohit, right? That 699 is
Hmm.
correct amount. How you identify? How you'll identify that this amount total sale is correct? You'll go to the raw data, right? Go to the main table, check for this.
Main table, yes. Yeah. Probably it's here. I'm not sure. Where
You'll
is
also
it?
in header, you'll get the total sales. That's
Yeah.
correct, right? It's a 699 something, right?
Hmm.
It's coming correct,
Yes, sir.
699. Can you run one more table below one? Ordered
Yeah.
item details. Yeah. So now check here, right? So he ordered only one thing,
1007.
right? For 5003, which one orders?
5002. Yeah.
5003
There's
order
only
order
one.
ID only, and that's a 699, right? So this is how you
Yeah.
can validate the things, okay?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
that's the reasons we take only limited data. We have keep the limited data,
Hmm.
okay, to just to confirm that the whatever the queries you have written is correct or not. Now let's say tomorrow when we'll populate this order details tables with maybe 10 lakh records, you can't manually go and check for that, right? So how you
Hmm.
can check? Let's say for this table, scroll up for these tables. What you can do, just you can go with this where conditions to find how many total orders, right? So let's say